Hi, I'm Justin Cole, the car guy. Today we're going to talk about and drive this 1967 Ferrari 330 GTS Spider. Like the 59 Ferrari we drove in the previous video, this beautiful 1967 Ferrari 330 GTS Spider was restored by the living legend, Bob Norwood.
If you've never heard of Bob, click the link to learn more about him on our website.
This spectacular Ferrari Spider is as rare as it is beautiful.
Only 600 Ferrari 330 coupes were ever produced, and of those, only 100 were Ferrari GTS Spiders.
This baby is one of them.
It started life as a coupe and was partially rebodied by Norwood and his team. After a complete restoration, this 67 Ferrari 330 GTS Spider's appearance and performance exceed the Ferrari factory models. It's equipped with a rebuilt 5-liter Ferrari Colombo V12 that's topped off with 3 Weber cars. The Ferrari 330 GTS was designed to be an elegant, open-top V12 Grand Tourer for Ferrari's best customers looking for the finest automotive experience money could buy. The Ferrari 330 GTC and GTS models were more refined than earlier Ferraris, quieter, easier to drive, and had plenty of room for 2 plus their luggage. But don't let the cargo space fool you. The Ferrari 330 GTS boasted an incredible set of performance figures with a top speed of 150 plus miles per hour.
Pretty speedy for today, much less for 1967.
When it was introduced, the Ferrari 330 GTS could easily outpace just about any other car on the road. The body of this Ferrari 330 GTS exudes hip 1960s Italian swagger. Just look at it. You can see James Bond behind the wheel. And yes, this, not an Aston Martin, this Ferrari. Its body is aluminum alloy and sports original 330 GTS rear fenders. Upping the cool factor are recessed covered headlights, a lowered windshield, and a closed-in rear boot. It's a true roadster with no convertible top or side windows. You got that right, don't get stuck in the rain. Inside, it has the original Ferrari 330 instrument gauges, original Ferrari 330 dash and door panels, and new Ferrari 330 black leather seat and trim.
Oh, and it comes with a 14-inch touchscreen tablet with Apple CarPlay. Just kidding, but it does have this handy AM/FM radio. Gotta love those fresh Ferrari Barani 16-inch wire wheels and factory A-arm suspension.
And you're not gonna see this anywhere else. Norwood upgraded this bad boy with air shocks that allow for 3 different ride heights, so you can conquer city speed bumps and bumpy country roads, no problem.
Upgrades like hidden Motec electronics help it start, run, and drive better. The legendary V12 sounds phenomenal through its factory ANZA exhaust system.
A period-correct, rebuilt Ferrari 330 4-speed transmission with the correct Ferrari 456 geared rear differential finishes off the drivetrain. From February 2017 to early 2022, 10 Ferrari 330 GTS models were sold at an average price of $1.9 million.
This stellar rebody is an absolute steal at $899,000.
Visit us at FAST.CARS to learn more about this car and others. Make sure you like and subscribe for more exotic, classic, and performance car content.